Hi guys, I'm here with Pacifica Tiny Homes and we're going to be giving you a virtual tour here inside the shop. Here's our logo and our address in case you have not come down to the shop for a tour. You're welcome to look on our website or check how far it is so you can go ahead and come down and tour the shop. This is the entrance of the company. You can go ahead and follow me. So here at Tiny Homes we always take safety first. So I have a helmet for myself that I get to walk around in. And you guys also get a helmet and a vest. So here behind me we have the Tiny Home office for our marketing and our sales department. They can help you with free estimates or any options of financing that we offer here. As well as we offer 21st mortgage, as you can see through the sign up here. We offer financing, and if you want to check for an estimate, you can also check on our website at pacificatinyhomes.com. And here is the main office here in the shop. This is shipping and receiving, where we have all the materials we need for your home. So now we're here in the lunch area where we have our vending machines with our drinks and our snacks. Rachel's the one in charge of this, so when anybody here gets hungry or wants something to drink, we always let Rachel know. Also in the lunch area we have our employee of the month and our fan club. So here we have Joel for January, Sergio for February, Raquel for March, and Noah for April. So Noah's a little camera shy and doesn't like to be on camera, so he let us put that as his picture. As well as some of our memories, we have a lot of pictures. They were at a baseball game. Right here, more pictures of them in LA. And when they get together and take the tiny home picture of all the employees. And here we have our fan club members. And we have all our captains and our presidents up there. These are all the people that are in here. If you see yourself, comment down below. Make sure you comment if you see your account somewhere in here. And here we also have all the tables where we eat. We have 2 tables. As well as our tiny home wall that we have put up so we can take pictures with. And here we have Cookie, which is our guard dog here for Tiny Homes. So today we're not going to be showing you guys the inside of any of the tiny homes. No tours today because we highly encourage that you come down to the shop for an in-person tour. But what we are going to show you today is the stations that we have, including the one that I'm here. This is station 1, and I'm standing in front of the 28-foot, the 2.0. This is a Bay Cottage house as well. We are going to be showing you guys inside the tiny homes, the progress and each station and what they're working on. Starting off with this one, this is our 30 by 10 park model that they're working on in station 2. So this is station 2, and this has been really popular recently because of the 10 feet wide. Here at station 2, we also are working on our customizable home, and our biggest upgrade in here would be the wider steps for extra storage. Whenever you have wider steps, you have more storage than our regular homes. As well as an upgrade we have here would be weatherproofing upgrades, which in our roof we are using 2x6s instead of 2x4s for snow load support. Another upgrade we have in this tiny home would be the shower. If you're not liking our regular size shower, this is the 4-foot shower that we also offer. So in this home we also have a standing loft, which I am 5 foot, and if you're also 5 foot or even a little bit taller, you would probably fit perfectly fine in here. So this is one of the upgrades that they also have. And if you're wondering, because some of the people that do come on tours ask how much does this drop, this drops about 1 foot and 5 inches. Station 3, they're working on a 20-foot tiny Victorian, which also has an A-frame gable roof, which very popular style. Ready to be sent off to each station. They do all the walls and the prepping of the trailer here. As you can see, they have some of the walls ready right here or on the ground. So here we have Casper, which is our welding truck in our welding station, which is Noah's station. Here's our best worker over here. Yeah, so he loves being on camera in case you guys couldn't tell. But this is a welding station where he does all the welding, right? Yeah. So this is Ghost Town Station 7 because whoever works here, which is usually Beto and Amadeo, are not here. They are either on a delivery or working in San Francisco. And this is prefab where he makes the stairs and we can go ahead and look inside. So here he has some of the wood to be prepped as well as the stairs are over here on this side. Like we mentioned before in the customizable home with the wider steps, here is where they make all the wider steps, they cut the wood, and it is fully handcrafted. Here we have our safety station where we have this to rinse your eyes if you get anything in your eyes. You have a shower if you get anything on you and you need to take it off by emergency. We also have our safety center boxes in here, which they come with extra helmets. Like we told you, we provide you with helmets on tours. So we have extra helmets, we have earplugs, we have hand sanitizer, as well as lots of masks, bandages, any first aid, medicine, sunscreen. We have everything that you could possibly need for all our worker safeties. Once our tiny home goes through all of these stations, it gets over here to quality control where we assure that they are clean, they are inspected, and go through a proper checklist before we send them off to any of our clients. Thank you for watching my tour of the tiny home factory, and if you guys have any more questions or concerns, you're welcome to call our company number here or visit our website and we'll be willing to answer any of your questions. As well as you can comment down below if you have any other questions or if you have any ideas for any future videos.